What is other storage on Samsung device and how can we clear it? Hi everyone. If you've been checking your storage on your Samsung device and noticed a large section labeled other storage, you're probably wondering what it is and how to get rid of it. Well, don't worry. In this video, we will explain what other storage is and how can we clear it up to free up space. So let's just dive right into the video. So what is other storage on a Samsung device? Other storage on a Samsung device refers to data that doesn't fall into the main categories like apps, photos, or videos. It can include system files, cache files, and temporary files, app data, and some leftover files from uninstalled apps. It is typically made up of things that the system needs to run but don't have an obvious label like photos or music. So, how can we clear other storage? So, app one of the thing is clearing app cache and data. App cache can take up to a large space and is part of the other storage. And here's how we can do it. Head over to the settings of your device. Just open up your settings and go to the apps here. Just locate apps and tap on the app that is using a lot of space. For example, only I'm showing this particular app right now. So when you go to the app with a lot of storage, go to the storage section of that app and tap on clear cache if needed. Tap on clear data to reset the app, but be aware that it will remove all the app data like settings and login info, and repeat these for any apps that is taking up too much space. Another thing is we have a device cure or something like that on our Samsung phone, which is built-in feature. You can go ahead and clean now, tap on clean now to delete the unnecessary files, including cached data and temporary files. Another thing is deleting the unnecessary files. Just go ahead to your My Files section and go to Analyze section. And you can find this section here with recycle bin and duplicate files. You can just go ahead and clear these out so that you can clear off the storage of your device. And after that is done, you can use clear up your system cache as well. So in order to do that, you need to turn off your phone and press and hold the volume up and the Bixby buttons, and then press and hold the power button. And once the Samsung logo appears, release all the buttons to return to the recovery mode and use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache partition and select it. And after it's cleared, select reboot system to restart the phone. And you can also install the unused applications in your device if there are any available. Just go ahead and install it. And now we know what other storage is and how we can clear it on our Samsung device. It is very simple. A way to reclaim storage space and keep our phone running smoothly. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And see you in the next video.